Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivbrat Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 7 jugs and mugs. Okay students, and today's topic is measuring capacity. Measuring capacity. Dear students, please open page number 47. Dear students, you know about capacity. Look at here carefully. We know that capacity is the amount of liquid. Capacity is the amount of liquid which a container can hold. Okay students, we know that capacity is the amount of liquid which a container can hold. Okay, look at here carefully. The basic unit of capacity of measurement of capacity are liter or milliliter. Okay students, I repeat again. We know that capacity is the amount of liquid, okay students, which a container can hold. The basic unit of measurement of capacity are liter or milliliter. Okay students, look, liter is denoted by L. It means that we can write in short L in place of liter, and milliliter ml. Okay students, it means that this is short form for writing liter and milliliter. Okay, it means that we can write L in place of liter and ml in place of milliliter. Okay, okay students, now read this. Okay, look at here carefully. To measure a smaller quantities of liquid, we use milliliter insert ml and to measure larger quantities of liquid we use liter. It means that to measure smallest quantity of liquid we use milliliter, insert ml. Okay, it means that we can write insert milliliter as ml, and to measure larger quantity of liquid we use liter. Okay students? Okay, now let's start question number 1. Now let's start question number 1. Question number 1 is, what would you use L or ml to measure the following? Okay students, in this question have 10 parts. Look, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and last I. Okay, here given that water in a jug, hair oil in a bottle, in second, hair oil in a bottle, milk in a glass, tea or coffee in a cup, petrol in a bike tank, eye drop in a bottle, cup syrup in a spoon, kerosene in a drum, okay, water in a bucket, okay students, look at here carefully. Okay, dear students, in this question here we use liter or milliliter to measuring the given things. It means that in this question here given that water in a jug. Dear students, we know that in a jug have larger quantity. Okay, therefore we use to measure in liter. Okay, since it means that here we use to measure by liter. Okay, it means that water in a jug measured by liter. Okay, distance, it means that water in a jug measured by liter. Clear? Hair oil in a bottle. This one we know that hair oil bottle, it means that in a hair oil have smaller quantities of oil. Okay, distance, it means that in a hair oil bottle have smaller quantity of oil. Therefore here we use milliliter. Okay, here we use milliliter for measuring the hair oil in a bottle. Clear? Dear students, look at here carefully. Here given that milk in a glass. Dear students, we know that in a glass have smaller quantities of milk. Okay, therefore here we use milliliter to measure milk in a glass. Understand? Tea or coffee in a cup. Okay, students, similarly we know that a cup have smaller quantities of tea or coffee. Okay, therefore here we use milliliter to measure tea or coffee in a cup. Okay, petrol in a bike tank. This one here given that petrol in a bike tank. This one we know that a bike tank have larger quantity. Okay, therefore here we use liter to measure petrol in a bike tank. Understand? Okay, students, if any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Clear? Eye drop in a bottle. This one we know that in a eye drop bottle have smaller quantity. Therefore here we use milliliter. It means that here we can write ml to measure the eye drop in a bottle. Clear? Cough syrup in a spoon. This one we know that in a spoon have a smaller quantity. Okay, students, in a spoon have a smaller quantity of cough syrup. Therefore here we use milliliter for measuring cough syrup in a spoon. Okay, kerosene in a drum. This one here given that kerosene in a drum. We know that kerosene drum have larger quantity. Okay, distance. Therefore here we use liter for measuring kerosene in a drum. Okay, water in a bucket. Similarly here we use liter for measuring the water in a bucket. Okay, distance, because a bucket have larger capacity. Okay, understand? Now let this. Okay, students, please write in your maths fair copy and book both. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Now let this. Now let's start question number 2. We can convert liter into millimeter by multiplying the number of liter by 1000. Okay students, now let's start question number 2. Convert the following into liter and milliliter. Convert the following into liter and milliliter. Liters and milliliters. Okay students, in this question have 7 part. Look at here carefully. A, B, C, D, E, F and last G. In this here given that 1875 milliliter. It means 1875 milliliter is equal to how many liter and how many ml? 4650 milliliter is equal to how many liter, how many ml? 2070 ml is equal to, in question number D, 7005 ml is equal to dash liter dash ml. 3000 ml is equal to dash liter dash ml. 5450 ml is equal to dash liter dash ml. 6050 ml is equal to how many liter and how many ml? Okay students, look at it carefully. This one we know that in 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Similarly, 2 liter is equal to how many ml? Look at here carefully. Dear students, if we have to convert liter into milliliter, then we have to take the by multiplication of 1000 in the number of liter. Okay students, it means that if we have to take the multiplication by 2 and 1000, then we get 2 into 1000 ml. It means that 2 0 is 0, 2 0 is 0, 2 1 is 2, 2 0 is 0, 2 1 is 2. It means that 2000 ml. Okay students, it means that if we have to convert given liter into milliliter, then we have to take the multiply by 1000 in given number of liters. Understand? Okay students. Similarly, 3 liter is equal to, if we have to take the multiplication by 1000 in given number of liter, here how many liter? 3. Here given that 3 liter, therefore we have to take the multiplication by 3 and 1000, then we get 3 1 is 3000 ml. Okay, understand? If we have to convert milliliter into liter, then we have to take the division of 1000 in given number of milliliters. Okay, students? It means that if we have to take the division of 1000, okay, in given number of milliliters, then we get, it means that then we have to convert milliliter into liter. Look at here carefully. Suppose that in this question here given that 1875 milliliter. Okay, since here we have to convert milliliter into liter, then we have to take the division of 1000 in 1875. It means that here we have to take the division of 1875 by 1000. Okay, 1000 1 ja 1000. After subtracting these, here we get 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 0 is 7, 8 minus 0 is 8, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Here we get 875 as remainder. Okay, distance. This is milliliter and this is liter. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Therefore, here we get 1 liter and 875 milliliter. 875 milliliter. Okay. Similarly, we can solve all given questions. Look at here carefully. Here given that 4650. If we have to take the division of 4650 by 1000, okay, Recalls table of 1000, 1000 4 ja 4000, 1000 4 ja 4000. After subtracting these, here we get 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, 6 minus 0 is 6, and here we get 4 minus 4 is 0. It means that here we can write cancel mark. Okay. Therefore, 4650 milliliter is equal to 4 liter 650 milliliter. Therefore, here we get 4 liter 650 milliliter. Okay, distance. Similarly, we can solve all given questions. Okay, look at here carefully. Distance in short form. Look here given that 650 and here given that 650. It means that last 3 digit number. Look, here we have to take last 3 digit number of given number of milliliter. Okay. Therefore, in this question, here we get last 3 digit number. Okay, distance. Here we get last 3 digit number as 070. 070. Therefore, here we can write 070 in milliliter. Okay, and the rest digit, it means that 4. Look, in this question, here we get rest digit as 4. Therefore, here we can write 4. Okay. Similarly, in this question, here given that 2. Okay. Then rest digit is 2. Therefore, here we can write 2 as same. Then here we get 2070 milliliter is equal to 2 liter 070 ml. Understand? Okay, distance. It means that 2 liter 70 milliliter. 2 liter 70 milliliter. Clear? Similarly, we have to solve all given questions. Look, here given that 7005 milliliter is equal to distance. Here we have to take last 3 digit number and last 3 digit number we can write in milliliter and the rest digit we can write in liter. Okay, therefore here we can write 7 liter 005 milliliter. It means that 7005 milliliter, 7005 milliliter is equal to 7 liter 5 milliliter. Understand? 3000 milliliter is equal to, similarly look at here carefully, last 3 digit number here given that 0, therefore we can write here last 3 digit number as 0 0 0 and the rest digit is here. Look, 3000 milliliter is equal to 3 liter 00 ml. It means that 3 liter 0 ml. Clear? Similarly, in question number 2 of F, here given that 5450. 5450 means 5 liter 450 milliliter. Therefore, here we can write 5, here we can write 450. Understand? 5 liter 450 milliliter. In this question, here given that 6050. Therefore, in this question, here we can write 6 liter and 50 milliliter. 6 liter 50 milliliter. Understand? Okay, students. If any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. I repeat again this method. If we have to convert milliliter into liter, then we have to take the division of 1000 in given number of milliliter. Okay, students? Understand? So after solving these, here we get 4650 divided by 1000 is equal to 1000 4 is 4000. After subtracting these, here we get 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, 6 minus 0 is 6, 4 minus 4 is 0. It means that cancel out. After solving these, here we get 4 as quotient. Therefore, we can write 4 liter, okay, and 650 as remainder. Therefore, we can write 650 in milliliter. Okay, got it? Thank you.